Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete and remove likes from Instagram posts. So this is quick and easy way. All you have to do now, open your Instagram app and go to your profile and type three stripe at the top of your screen. This is the settings and activity. So you can choose your activity and you can choose the likes here. So this is all the posts that you had or you liked before. You can delete or remove the likes from one of the posts or some posts here. For example, this one. Just tap on like or dislike. So this is how you can do it. Quick and easy. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the text button below. See you in the next video.